So how do you how do you make a video in YouTube and upload it and then share the link to me or anybody else for that matter? And many of you might already know how to do this, but and this is the way I want you to do this. I want you to share a link so we don't start passing files back and forth, and it takes a lot less memory this way and that sort of thing. So please pay attention to this. This is how I want you to complete your assignments in this course when I ask for a video. Okay, so here we are. We're in our Casper College email account, which you should be looking at because you'll get updates from me, the administration, and that sort of thing once you've found this area. And many of you do use it, and all of you will be using it. But we just start from here. I always use this as my command center. If you go over to this spot right here where there's 9 little dots, if you click on that, that's all of the things that you have available in your Google library. And for instance, you could have your calendar, which I really recommend that you use because I'll be sending some Zoom links, and have already. That if you accept those links, then they'll be placed in your calendar. All you have to do is look at your calendar every day. You can actually put that on your phone, and it'll remind you that you have a meeting coming up. And here's your Gmail right here, of course, that we're in, and here's YouTube. And I'm not sure everybody understands this, but you actually have a YouTube channel that all the things in there. Here's if you were to go to your videos, possibly you wouldn't have anything in here. You can see that I already have uploaded some videos. I have a whole bunch of them in here, but that doesn't mean too much for you right now. But here is how, if you just go up here to this little video camera, it says plus, and I want to go live. Okay. Use your microphone, use your camera. It's going to allow you to do that sort of thing. Create a title. The bank robbers not. Now, throughout this whole process, I want you to have practiced enough so that you can just quickly put together a real short video. You can make it public. It makes it harder to share if you make it private. So there's that choice right there. Anyone can search. Anyone with a link can view. If it's unlisted, private only you can view. So you can make that selection, but I would recommend public for right now, especially for these types of videos. Yes, it is made for kids. Don't be doing any swearing. Age restrictions, we don't have to worry about that. We'll go ahead and go no. Okay. Stream preview. We go live. Okay. All right. We're going live right here. Actually, we're recording, and we would do our not, and then we would end the stream. End the stream. Are you sure you want to end the stream? End. Okay. All right, then I can edit my video. There it is right there. We want to bank robbers not tell a viewer about your video. You can put a little description in there. Select your thumbnail that you want to appear. It's made for kids, all that kind of stuff. You want to tag knots. Okay. And then there's a few things you can research there, but here is the copy of the browser tag. This is the one that you're going to upload, or you're going to put in the assignment module for that particular assignment. Okay, and all you have to do is hit copy right here. All right, and then put it in the assignment. That's all there is to it. Now, besides saving it. Okay, there we go. We just saved it. And that's all there is to it. Just put that link in your assignment module, and then it won't take up any space, and it's pretty easy to do.